Hey there YouTube, well, here's part 2 of the 126 packs that I have to open. I'm probably going to open all of these in the same day, which is something I didn't mention before. So, yeah, there's not much more to say, but to get right in. And this time I'm a little bit more prepared, so yeah. Birthright, super rare. Oh, electric virus also, that's pretty good. An extreme victory. Whoops. Keep bumping it. Rare McLeod Fortress and a super red debunk. I actually really like this card. I like taking it in most things. Well, let's go Crossroads. Trying to get a good position where I won't bump the tripod as much. Those musical people of you should be able to hear cannon in the background. Iron Chain Repairman, Crimson Crisis, Descending Lost Star, Assault Beast, Violet Witch, ultra rare. Very nice. After this opening, I'm probably going to do another trade binder because that thing's evolved a lot actually. Exodius. So here's the Mosaic and Rare. I'll just set those over here and then put those over here. Back with the commons and rares. Second battle pack. Hamstrat, Little Sunfish, Wobbucoo, that's not too bad either. Plain Insectors, that's pretty good. Open for a Forbidden Lance in Battle Pack 2 and Stormwolf Ragnarok. Scrapworm, not in that pack. Well, here goes Hidden Arsenal 6. I believe it comes right there, so I'll open it like this so no one can see, and I'll just switch them. Steel Storm Sentinel, Infestation Ripple, Gem Knight Amber, Aquamirror Illusion, and Vylon Alpha. Not too shabby. My leg's hurting me. Should do this quicker. Storm of Ragnarok. Karakuri, Stardust Phantom. So probably not in this part, but yeah, let's go for another. Let's still go for it, aim for it. Photon Shockwave, as I've said before, I'm mainly looking for a rare, which is Evol Sword Volcano. But of course, Ultimate Rare Lagia and Rescue Rabbit would be nice too. Stardust Overdrive, Rare Megaton Core Panel, Order of Chaos, White Knight Queen, Insector Centipede, rare. I don't know it's super because from the Astral packs I've been opening those a lot, but yeah, I haven't got videos up. But ooh, Heart of Clearwater, this is really nice. Ooh, Dark Bolter the Terrible. I've never actually opened these old packs, so any holo would be good for me. And Heart of Clearwater, I've been testing those with Insectors. Not too bad, not too great either though, which kinda sucks. Oh nice! Secret Rare Evolstar Dolkar. These come in secret rares so many times. Well, I've already got a ton of these from the tin ones. Here goes one from the pack. Secret wet sword is nice. Secret rare. Black wings are nice. I believe Scopin comes in this set. I'll call it's good. But I haven't been able to find any Scopins from Raging Battle, which kind of sucks. Search Striker, still rare. Galactic Overlord, that opened nicely. Light Ray Sorcerer, Exostag. Oh, I saw the black one, I'm like, big eye? Big eye's still good, even though I'm guessing they'll be reprinted in the Wave 2 tins. Because that card really needs to get reprinted. Ooh, nice. Guardian Beast Thorax. I don't believe that one's played. Shadow Imprisoning Mirrors, nice. And Raya the Mega Pack. These are really hard to find. But somehow my locals got them, so I'm like, let's pick a few up. System Down, that's good. 6 Samurai or Malicious, that's really good also. I'll just set those over here since they are still hollow. Arcus. Yeah, let's move these over there. That was a pretty good pack, I must say. And final pack. 청조라! Crossroads of Chaos. Ghost Black Rose. Tiger Dragon. Not today, but the first edition. So yeah, that's part 2, and I'll put part 1 in the description if you haven't seen that already, which I should have said at the beginning, and part 3 when that comes out. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Later.